The AI revolution, a power play beyond our control. Hey folks, welcome back to Think Consulting. Today, we're diving deep into a story that's got the tech world buzzing. The ouster of Sam Altman from OpenAI. Is this just another Silicon Valley shakeup, or is it a sign of a bigger, more complex issue in the world of artificial intelligence? Let's explore this together. The Altman earthquake. First off, let's talk about the man of the hour, Sam Altman. His exit from OpenAI isn't just a simple CEO shuffle. It's a major event that's got hundreds of employees on the edge and the tech community in a frenzy. Altman's already jumped ship to Microsoft and back, and OpenAI is scrambling with leadership changes. Now, what does this mean for a company that has been at the forefront of AI innovation? Let's talk about the transformation of OpenAI before we get into it. And let's rewind a little bit. OpenAI started with a noble vision, using AI for the greater good of humanity. But fast forward to today, we see a different picture. OpenAI shifted gears into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, pushing the boundaries of AI development. But at what cost? Are we trading safety for speed in this high-stakes tech race? Let's also talk about the dangers of unchecked AI. And here's where the plot thickens. Altman's firing points to a critical concern: the pace and control of AI development. OpenAI reportedly has AI tech so powerful, they are keeping it under the wraps. And now, what's the risk here, you may ask? Are we dealing with a digital Frankenstein that could backfire on humanity? Now, let's also talk about AI behind closed doors, which brings us to a crucial point of transparency, or the lack thereof, in the entire AI development space. Much of what's happening in these AI labs is shrouded in secrecy. You may ask, what are the ethical implications of developing game changing technology behind closed doors? Should the public be worried? AI's far fetching impact allows us to think about expanding our horizons. AI isn't just about smart gadgets or cool apps. It is about reshaping how we live, work, and interact. From geopolitics to job markets, artificial intelligence's tentacles are spreading everywhere. How prepared are we for these sweeping changes? The public's role in the AI saga also has to be discussed here. And this is the multi-million dollar question. Where do we, the public, fit into this narrative? We are talking about technology that could redefine our society, yet the decisions are being made by a few tech moguls. How can we ensure that our voices are heard in this critical and pivotal moment in our human history and in the tech history? It's not just a Silicon Valley story, it's a global one. AI's development is a worldwide phenomenon today, and it needs international collaboration and regulation. The question I have is, how can nations come together to harness the benefits of AI while at the same time safeguarding humanity from its potential dangers? The road ahead for AI. To wrap this up, let's think about the future. AI is here to stay, but its path is yet to be determined. How we manage, regulate, and interact with AI today will shape our tomorrow. It's not just about building smarter machines, it's about building a smarter, safer world for us all. That's all for today's deep dive on Think Consulting. As you may have realized, the world of AI is complex, exciting, and also a little bit daunting. What are your thoughts on the Altman situation and the future of AI in general? Drop your comments below. And if you've enjoyed this discussion, this exploration, hit that like button and subscribe for more thought provoking content.